Well, good morning everyone presenting here. As it's known to everyone over here that we gathered here to perform our next round of the conversation practice. And we are here to execute the drama making round. And in this round, as I have selected some of the students as a team, and this is a teamwork. And I hope the prompt, the theme that you have selected, you have worked on that and you will perform your best. And after watching every single drama out of the act that you have prepared for, one group will be selected as the best performer. And you will have 2 more opportunities to perform your best to be selected as a winner after the 3rd round. So the thing that you will be judged for is your expression is most important essence in the drama round. If you didn't express the sentences according to the mood, according to the importance, according to the need of this drama or the story, you will not be entertained as a winner. You will not be considered, you will not be paid attention to. So it's very important to be expressive while performing the acts, while delivering the dialogues and throwing out the sentences, whatever you have planned for. And the most important thing that I want to make you understand is the intention behind making these all activities one by one is to make you practice more and more sentences. So dialogues should be beautifully performed, confidently in front of the camera, ignoring the camera and people who are sitting in front of you. It doesn't matter for you. You need not care about the people, about the camera in front of you. Just you need to do your 100%. Just you need to perform your 100% what you have prepared for, what you have done for. Just go through it. Just perform your dialogues, throw it out. And beautifully, you have to pronounce the words. Expression, flow, confidence is very important. And I hope after going through the last round, and that was conversation round, most of the students got very confident and expressive. And it's obvious to all of you that the average student become very good student of the class. So there is not a doubt in it. And I hope in this round, some of the students who need a bit more to work harder a bit to improve and to change themselves, they will work harder and they will prove that I'm also not in the rest and I'm also a good student in the class. So believing you and expecting good performances from every group.
Good morning everyone. My name is Komal, he is Harsh, he is Vikas and he is Pratik. And we are here for drama round. Our story is based on old age home. There are 2 parts in our story. In first part, Harsh and Vikas will play the role of sons and Pratik will be mother and I will be daughter-in-law. So let's start.
Ma? Oh my son, come. Oh Ma, how do you do all this work without getting tired?
Why do not take some rest, Ma?
Now your mother is old. Beta, why don't you give money?
Yes, Bhaiya, Ma is right. You should get married.
Yes, I think you are right. I get married so my mother has some rest. We love you, Ma, and we will never leave you alone.
I love you, Ma.
Wait.
Ma.
Now welcome, Desi song. आगे माई का रे अलई जी रे अलई बरुतिए अलई परे बैठ के हमर बेटाया लनना नजर ना लगई हा जानी बहुआ बैठे आ नजर ना लगई हा जानी बहुआ बैठे आ
What the hell? I don't like all this custom and all.
Komal, just chill down. This is my custom and you must have to follow.
You shut your mouth. Oh, Buria, go and get me a glass of water.
What is this? You go by yours.
You shut your mouth.
Bahu, what are you wearing?
Now you tell me what should I wear or not. I have to do something. Vikas! It's high time now. Either I will stay or mom will stay.
But Ma, I have some work, so you have to stay old age home for few days. It's okay.
Now I am going for second part. I am playing the role of old man, and my partner Komal playing the role of old woman. Namaste.
Ji, namaste.
Everyone call me Sharma ji.
My name is Sarda ji. I'm only here for 6 to 7 days.
Oh, I see. What does your son?
He works in a very big company. Let me call him or ask him whether he reached or not. Hello, beta.
Hello, I am in meeting.
But beta, I just want to ask whether you eat food or not.
I call you later.
So, what does your promising son say?
He said he'd call you later and cut my call.
I have been here 4 years. Have seen everything. Now you also understand.
No, Sarmaji, my son is not like that. He loves me a lot.
Sarda ji, one which comes old age home does not go away so easily.
What rubbish are you talking? I'll call him right now.
What happened, Sarda ji?
He didn't pick my call.
Few months later, let's see.
What happened, Sarda ji?
Sarmaji, please call my sons.
Okay, Sarda ji. Phone got cut, Sarda ji.
Sarmaji, please pass my son's photo for the last time.
Okay, Sarda ji. Someone call Sarda ji's son and say him his burden is over. She is dead.
Ma, what happened to Ma?
God Sules, now take your mother. She is waiting for you every day. She is dead. After all, why do children forget their parents? It is our fault. We are steering ourselves to feed our children. We devoted our whole life to our children.
Take care of our parents and give proper love and affection. It is our duty or responsibility. We love our parents.
मेरे लिए मेरा जहान हो तुम, सबसे बड़ी पहचान हो तुम। माँ, अगर आप जमीन हो तो पापा मेरे लिए आसमान हो तुम।
Thank you.
Thank you.
If you educate a man, you educate an individual. If you educate a woman, you educate a nation. Well, this is the famous quotation by African proverb. Actually, I thought of sharing this quotation with you because it is one of the most inspiring quotations and it's inspired me to do something good in grade every day. Good morning and namaste everyone, dear respected sir and my dear classmates. Myself Aman and here is my friend Harsh, Prince, Suvangi, Ankit. We are going to perform a drama based on girls' education. In this drama, there are 5 characters in which I am going to play the role of father and Harsh is going to play the role of
Mother.
Ankit is going to play the role of
Son.
Suvangi is going to play the role of
Daughter.
and Prince is going to play the role of
Never.
First of all, before I start, I would like to thank God for the life, for the beautiful day that He has given to us, without which this won't be possible. And we also thank God for the AS English Club. Now, without killing the time, in this drama there are many scenes. Now, Suvangi will explain the scenes and be performed according to the scene.
Are you ready, guys, to see our drama? Let's start. Now the first scene. The father is reading a newspaper and the mother is singing. Let's see.
What's the news today?
As usual, not very special.
So what?
Crimes, political issues and college strikes.
College strike? For what?
Extra money related to fees.
And the second scene. The daughter the son come back from college. Visiting, and let's it. We see.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta. Haven't you had a class this morning?
It's a day off again, ma'am.
What?
Because principal went on a strike, ma'am.
That's nonsense, beta.
Yes.
And the third scene, the daughter got in and looking in the school bag. Let's we see.
Hey, look, who is there? What the hell are you doing? Have you done the dishes?
Yes, Papa. Papa, actually I want to go to college like my brother.
No, you can't go. You have to study as much as you have to study. No need to go, understand?
But Papa, I want to complete my master degree like my brother.
You never forget this message. Don't compare with your brother because boy has to do something after study. Girls only have to cook.
How cheap is your thinking, Papa? Girls are not only have to cook. Girls want to become a professor, engineer, doctor and etc. But she doesn't do because of people who think like you.
How dare you talk like this today? This is my last and final decision. So get lost from here.
Why? Why not? I'm not a human. I'm not a person. I wanna go to school. I wanna learn. I wanna be someone in the world. This is my right, Papa. Nobody should rob it for me.
Just keep quiet and get lost from here.
Oh my God! What happened, sister? Why are you crying? Tell me, please. I am your mother, sister. You can share your feeling with me, please, sister.
Bye. Please try to understand, Papa, for my master degree. Please, bye.
I talked to mom that you understand father for this matter.
Really? Thanks. Bye. Will Papa agree?
Let's see, please. Mom, please try to make understand father. Please, mom, please.
Don't worry, beta. I will try. Izzy, I want to suggest you something.
Yes, tell me.
This is totally unfair. She will go. She has a dream. Shubhangi, we will go for dream.
Are you mad? How dare you refuse my word? This is my last and final decision. Get it?
Please understand. Every girls have right to take good education.
No, he have to read very much. No need to go.
Now the time is changed. My daughter will study. Not only my daughter. Every girls have right take good education. Give her a chance. She will do.
Okay, let's see what happens.
Thanks, Mom, and thanks, Bhai, for supporting me. And you are the best brother in the world.
It's my pleasure.
And the last scene of this drama, after 6 months, the Nawab Prince come back from my home. What happened? Let's be see.
Aman uncle, where are you? Where are you?
Yes, beta, I am here. What happened?
Look at the newspaper, uncle. Shubhangi picture has been published in the newspaper. Top in university in master degree. She will rewarded 10 lakh rupees.
Are you mad? You know what are you saying?
Yes, sir. Yes, uncle, I am right.
Oh my God, Shubhangi picture published in the paper. I told you, didn't I? This is the proof.
Yes, you are saying right, my dear. Now I think he is totally changed. Girls and boys are equal. Beta Shubhangi, come here, beta. I am proud of you, beta. I am sorry, beta. Please forgive me.
It's alright, Papa. Now, lastly, we're gonna end our drama with some Hindi shairis. बेटी कहने को वरदान है बेटी, कहने को वरदान है बेटी, पर अनचाही संतान है बेटी। कपड़ा पैसा दान समझ के, कपड़ा पैसा दान समझ के कर दी जाती दान है बेटी। खूब ठहा के लाता बेटा, खूब ठहा के लाता बेटा, बुझती सी मुस्कान है बेटी। लेन देन दो बापों का हो जाती कुर्बान है बेटी। पूछ नहीं है घर में लेकिन, पूछ नहीं है घर में लेकिन, घर की इज्जत मान है बेटी। सास कहे गैर की जाए, सास कहे गैर की जाए, माँ के घर मेहमान है आई। एंड लास्टली वी गोना से दैट गर्ल्स आर गोल्ड नॉट टू बी सोल्ड।
Hello, hi, hello. Hello everyone. Firstly, a pleasant good morning to our respected sir, dear friends, all the audience and all those eyes who are watching to us. Welcome all of you. We are executing here a drama based on parentage, sacrament and modernity. This is Sapna Ras and I am playing the role of modern Bahu. So let's introduce our partner. This is Sarita. Introduce yourself.
Hi everyone, this is Sarita Sarita.
And she is playing the role of my husband. And the most important role played by the Ankit,
Hello everyone, this is Ankit Ranjan and I am playing the role of son.
As like name is Chintu. And she is Neetu and he is Gaurav.
And we are playing the role of in-laws.
So guys, what we are for waiting? Let's start. Here we go.
Bahu? Oh Bahu, where are you? What are you doing? Give me a glass of water.
Bahu? Oh Bahu? Bahu, what are you doing? Come soon. Bahu? Oh Bahu, I am tired of this old lady and old man. When you say Bahu, do this. Bahu, do that. Take this. And Mummy ji, please listen. I am also human, not a robot that you turned on and I started running.
Where are you going, Bahu?
Oh, Mummy ji, what happened now? I'm going to my gym and I don't want to be late. So please, don't use to drop me from behind.
Bahu, what types of clothes of you are wearing? What will people say? At least keep a pallu on your head. After all, you are daughter-in-law of this house, so follow some rules of this house. So keep the pallu on your head.
Pallu? What, Mummy ji? Pallu my foot. You know, I'm very trendy and I think that you are the cheapest woman of the world. So please, if you can't handle my modernity, don't say anything. And dear Papa ji, listen you also. My father gave me a BMW car and a 20 lakh cash on the dory. So please, talk to her and please don't say anything more. Shut up.
What are you saying? But Bahu,
Mummy ji, if you wanted a middle class society girl, then why are you getting your son married with me, a high class society? Why don't you get a rural area from the business?
what are you saying, Bahu? Just stop it.
What happening in the morning, Bella? And what are you doing, Mama? Enough is enough. That's enough, Suresh. I'm not gonna stay here for anymore. I'm leaving just now.
What are you saying, Bella? Are you leaving home?
Oh, Suresh. Why should I go from this house? This is my house. Why doesn't this Budiya go?
Then Bella, why are you getting angry?
Oh, shut up, Suresh. Hey, Chintu, what are you doing here?
Nothing.
Go to your room.
No, Mama, please, no.
Go to your room, otherwise I will slap you. Go.
I'm fed up with you daily, Mama. So you get out from here, old age home. Wow, son. In this day, I've warned you that time today. If and you want to see that time of face, we will go. Just guys, be happy.
Now guys, their second scene is occur in front of you and here the Bahu is sitting there and calling in phone. Hello Mama, how are you? What Mama? What are you saying? How can sister-in-law do this? That's your home. Did brother say anything? Huh?
Just like you kicked my home out of the house.
Hey Chintu, what are you doing?
Papa and Mama, I am holding this seat for you guys because when you guys become old, I also send you to old age home, just like you sent my grandmother and grandfather.
Oh my son, you forgive me, opened my eyes. I had to come with talk to your mother. I know, I didn't support my mother, but who made me grow up with great efforts?
Okay, Papa, go and bring back my Dadi to home.
Suresh, please forgive me. I made a huge mistake. Sorry.
Oh please, get out from here. And Mama and Papa, please forgive me. I do not understand your importance.
Mummy ji, Papa ji, please forgive me. I made a big mistake. Please come to your home. Please, Mummy ji. I'm sorry, Papa ji. I'm sorry, Mummy ji. Please, I'm sorry.
Don't worry, child. Forget in the morning. If comes in the home in the evening, it doesn't got forgotten.
It's all right, Bahu. Let's go for home.
Okay, come.
Bahu, one thing observe you.
Yes, Papa ji.
Your earrings is so pretty, but where is other?
This is new fashion, Dadu.
Oh, thank you, Papa ji. Actually, this is fashion really. Okay, come on guys. Now we are built together. So, why don't we take a selfie with us?
Hey God, what do I do about it?
Come, smile.
And lastly, we want to say that मोहब्बत अगर किसी इंसान से हो तो जिंदगी मिल जाती है. मोहब्बत अगर इंसान से हो तो जिंदगी मिल जाती है. अगर मोहब्बत माँ बाप से हो तो इबादत मिल जाती है.
Family where life begins and love never ends, and family is the most important thing in the world, so take care of your family.
बाग को जन्म देने वाला बागबान, परिवार को जन्म देने वाला पिता, दोनों ही अपने खून पसीने से अपने पौधों को सींचते हैं. वो सिर्फ अपने पौधों के ही नहीं बल्कि उनके साये से भी प्यार करते हैं, क्योंकि उन्हें पता है कि जब एक दिन हम थक जाएंगे तो वही साया हमारा छाया बनेगा. ओ धरती सींचे अंबर बरसे, रुत आए रुत जाए हाय, हर मौसम की खुशबू बनके बाग बाग सजाए. बागों के हर फूल को अपना समझे बागबान, बागों के हर फूल को अपना समझे बागबान. हर घड़ी करे रखवाली, पत्ती पत्ती डाली डाली सींचे. बागवान बागवान रब है बागवान, बागवान रब है बागवान, बागवान रब है बागवान. And thank you.
Hello everyone, good morning to all. This is Ayush Raj standing over here to play a family drama. In that, I among 4 others are playing in this role. So without killing more time, I give a शायरी to you all. अभी तो पूरी शाम बाकी है, अभी तो पूरी शाम बाकी है, हमारे नवाबों से आपकी मुलाकात बाकी है. अभी तो पूरी शाम बाकी है, हमारे नवाबों से आपकी मुलाकात बाकी है. दिल थाम के बैठिएगा जनाब, अभी तो खेल का सारा अंजाम बाकी है. So without killing more time, I would like to call all my characters and actors to come on the stage.
This is Amrit Vani. I am playing the role of grandfather.
This is Ayush Raj playing the role of teacher.
This is Subham Singhania. I am going to play the role of father.
This is Kanhaiya Raj. I am playing the role of younger brother, elder brother.
This is Raj playing of role of younger brother. Raj, my dear son, come here. Yes, grandpa. I think you are looking worried. Is it right? Yes, grandpa. I get confused. That's what I do after matric. I think I am good in speaking. As more fluent, but what, my dear son? Tell me clearly. What's your problem?
Grandpa, he won't tell you.
Yes, tell me.
I tell you. You want to be a speaker, but father forced him to be a doctor.
Yes, grandpa. But I have no options. Go with my dream. Why not, my dear son? Call your father right now. I will talk to him.
I call you. Pitaji, grandpa is calling here.
I am coming, beta. Yes, Pitaji. Is there any problem?
Yes, I have problem, Dad. I found it that you forced my grandson to do that. Don't you want to make him who he wants to be? Is it right?
Pitaji, he has ability. That's what I told him. If you think I am wrong, then call to his teacher.
It would be good to call him. Pacher, call him right now. I will talk to him.
Okay, grandpa. Hello.
Hello. Is it you, Raj?
No, sir. I am his elder brother.
Is everything okay there?
Yes,
Why
sir.
you call me?
Yes, sir. Everything is okay. But my grandfather asked to talk with you.
Okay, give phone to him.
Hello.
Hello. Hello, grandpa.
I am Raj's grandfather. I want to know about my dear son Raj. What do you think about my dear son Raj?
I have to say more, but in short, he is very good in academic, and I have no words to explain his speaking skills that he shown in our school. He got a very fluency and a good pronunciation. It is extremely good.
I feel so, but his father wants to make him a doctor, but he doesn't want. He wants to be a good speaker.
Grandpa, if you don't mind, give phone to his father. I think I made him understand.
Can I hear?
Hello, sir.
Hello, Mr. Shubham.
Yes, sir.
I found that you force your son to be a doctor. Not exactly he wants to be. He wants to become a speaker.
Yes, sir. But he has ability.
If you don't mind, being a teacher, I know more about than you, about your son. If he wants to be a speaker, let him go with his own dream, with his own ambition. I face many cases in my life that students get mentally abnormal and not focus in his own dreams and fear to force his failure because his soul not allow him to go against his own dreams, his own ambition. He not get full on his own natural potential, and it creates sometimes a suicidal case. So after knowing this all, why you want to lose your son, Mr. Shubham? Being a good father, you have to let him go, your son, to be a good speaker, to be a good speaker in his life, to let him go with his own dreams, with his own ambition. Mr. Shubham, I think you got.
Sorry, sir. You opened my eyes. Hey, Raj, come here. Beta, if you want a speaker, then fulfill your dreams. I'm always with you. Do it, my son. Do it.
So the moral of story is try to understand your children and do let him go with his own dream and ambition. Don't force him to do that you want. Now not exactly he wants to be become. So thank you.
So guys, every team has performed its best. 4 different teams have performed their task, the drama, the act that they have assigned last day. Based on different kinds of themes, those were really attractive and fascinating to watch. And even I'm shocked. This is, that some of the expressions, some of the students, how you express the dialogues, how you throw the dialogue, this is, was really amazing. I must say that the confidence that you have, as much as I have seen into you, are satisfactory, and the boldness that you have, it can help you to face any crowd, any function, any program on the stage. If you want to stand with the mic, you can deal with any topic and you can engage a huge crowd as long as you want to be. This is very important. And I want to suggest some of the freshers, some of the new students who tried their best to perform best, this is over here in the act, that when you stand in front of the camera, some kind of fumble, some kind of hesitation happens. It's genuine, it's normal. Just because it's an act making round and a drama making round and you're not professionals, despite not being professional, you are performing, you are expressing, you are throwing the dialogues, looking into the camera, you are being interactive to the people sitting over here, is really appreciable. So don't feel guilty and embarrassed if you have committed any mistake while playing the act. This is normal. This is quite normal and it happens. It happens. But I must say finally this is some of the act really mesmerizing. It was really mesmerizing and captivated me that really guys, I'm really proud. I'm very happy with the performances. First of all, I would like to talk about Komal and her group. The act was short, but amazing. One thing I must mention, Ayush and group, the act was an act round, but in their act, the drama was not seen. Like this is, there was not expressions and more drama. There were more and more sentences. The whole act finished into that conversation between the father and the teacher. So the drama that I wanted, the act and expression that I wanted, I missed some part of the drama. You need to put more drama, more act into the act making round further. It's a suggestion, because day by day we have to improve. Because expression is also very important, When you stand in front of the people, if you directly throw the sentences, it's not okay. According to the mood, according to the sentences, you have to express also. Because body language, there is 60% body language in English. If you don't express the sentences according to the mood of the sentences or requirement of the sentences, you will not be a good speaker. So it's very important, to remember and put it in your mind that while speaking something to anyone, while talking to anyone, so it's very important to be expressive and use the body language and the facial expressions according to the mood of the sentences. Then you will call by good speaker. So that I missed into your act. Let's be back to the decision round. The first round decision, just because of some hesitation and standing in front of the camera, it happens some kind of phobia. It happens decisions when students get back and they get nervous. So first time they could not do that, but next time decision, the second time they really performed better. Okay, but decisions, if you talk about without fumbling, without any hindrance, without obstacle, the fast, steady, unobstacable performance that I watched today was a Komal and her group. So it was commendable, but it doesn't mean that this is you won the round. You are the best performer of the day. Komal and her group is the best performer of the day without any hindrance and fumble. They completed their task. And the most important thing, I mentioned over here, I must mention that expression that they put, especially Komal and Pratik, was amazing. Outstanding. And the most important is, where was Sarita? In which group Sarita was there? Sapna's group. Sarita was also amazing. One thing that I missed, that I feel that the coordination was not good into her act. Because when Sapna was standing in front of the camera, most of the time her back portion was in front of the camera. She was not facing the camera at that time. Okay, and that's the thing that really was a bit awkward over there. Otherwise, they have used lots of sentences into it. That was amazing. And I hope they will perform better and they will improve their drawbacks and they will be the best performer of the next time. Okay, till now, it was really satisfactory. All the performances was very engaging and entertaining. And I'm damn sure that all the students who are working so harder can reach that label days and that achieve that avail that label, that position that you want in your life. And just I want to say at the length of my speech, length of my preaching, and that is, God bless you, keep growing like that and keep achieving and availing that you expect in your life. And I'm damn sure that you will achieve, accomplish all those things that you expect and you dream at night. Thank you. Thank you for making me proud. Thank you for being my student. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being inspiration for lots of the students who come at AS English Club. Thank you for inspiring all those viewers, all the spectators who watch my videos at my YouTube channel. Thank you for being the inspiration for the rest of the students who really think that I can't speak. Thank you for being motivative. Thank you for being inspiring and a role model for those students who think that I'm not able to speak English, but after watching your videos, after watching some of the students of you all, they will also feel that if they can speak, I can also speak. Thank you for all. Love you.